And now our value change that we are passing to the array and then to the adapter so that it is then notified to the list. This should be value change is equal to, first of all, we will have the current date time. Then we should have plus plus. We should have here a space, and then we should have here the value change, which is these values. That's it. Now we now in front of our sensor values for temperature and pressure, we will also have the current time. That's current date and time. Now run it again and let's see what we get. Started running. We have to wait a bit until our emulator runs again. So the emulator is up and running. It shows two values and the time, which is 12:16 at 26 seconds. It has the pressure value 946.5 and temperature value, which is 17.6. Now the ambient temperature value is going in the next line. So let us first let's just name it temperature value so that we have both in the same line. Now run again and see what happens. We will have the temperature value also, the date, temperature value string, and this value all in one line. So the project, the app is getting up. Yeah, that's it. Now temperature value is 17.6 here and the pressure value is 946.5 in the same line. Now let's see what we have actually. So our additional sensors and the extended controls panel. So this is the ambient temperature. You see it is 17.6. This is the pressure. You see it is 946.5, and that's what's shown here at time 12, 18, and 40 seconds. Now let's change one of them. Let's change the temperature. That's 16.6. So at 12:19, 19 seconds, the temperature value was 16.6. So now wait for a few seconds, and then again 15.6 it says now at 37 seconds it was 15.6. Now change the pressure value. It will be 562.8, yes, at 1952. So now it looks better. We have our temperature and pressure values with respect to time, and when we change one, because we had these two at the start and then we changed temperature 2 times and temperature came 2 times with the exact time with seconds when it was changed. Same here. And pressure it was. So we can now deduce from this that okay, the pressure value was 946.5 at 12:18, 40 seconds, and at 12:19 and 52 seconds it changed to 562.8. So we can make more get more information about our temperature and pressure sensor values, that when did the value change, between what duration the value remained the same, and everything. And now we can set this information to our server. And then our server also knows at what time, at what date the value was changed for which sensor. This is pressure value, this showing temperature value, the temperature sensor, and what was the value, exact value that was changed. So that is actually, I think, enough for our sensors. The next is that we are going to use this as a client. We are going to have some code into our app here, in our main activity, sensor activity here, that is going to help us connect to this server. Then we are going to create a server in Java using Eclipse, and then from our emulator, this emulator, we will change the values here. This value will appear here, the change value, and the change value will be sent to the server at the same time, and the server will then display it. Okay,